Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Transfer apple cider vinegar into a clean glass or food-grade stainless container to prevent reactions. Rinse the bottle if reusing, then pour carefully and leave a small headspace for air. Once done, close with the original cap or an airtight lid to limit oxidation and evaporation. Store in a cupboard or pantry at roughly 10-20 degrees C, not near heat sources. This protects flavor and preserves the acidic quality, so you get consistent acidity over time. Next, make sure you control exposure and identify the bottle. Fill the container so headspace is minimal. Less air slows further fermentation and flavor loss. Then label the bottle with the open date and the vinegar's acidity percent if you know it, making rotation easy. Place the bottle away from onions, garlic, or cleaning agents because vinegar absorbs strong odors. If you plan long storage, consider using a darker bottle. It reduces light-driven changes and keeps taste steady. Finish by scheduling a quick check once a month to ensure quality. You'll likely see harmless cloudiness or the mother. That's normal. Strain only if you prefer clarity. If you detect mold growth, an unusual rotten odor, or slimy films, discard the vinegar and sanitize the bottle with hot, soapy water before reuse. For minor issues like sediment, pour through a coffee filter. Otherwise, sealed storage and cool. Dark placement prevent most problems and preserve the vinegar's acidity and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.